Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my home management binder. I just finished making this, so I haven't put it to use yet, but I am really excited to start putting it to use, and I'm excited to share it with you as well. If you're new to my channel, I am Taylor Holcomb. I have a 8-month-old little boy and his name is Garrett, and my channel consists of a lot of videos about Garrett, updates on him. I do a lot of vlogs and cleaning videos, organizational videos, vacation vlogs, you name it, I'll probably be doing it. My channel is brand new, so I hope that you subscribe and like this video and check out my other videos as well, and leave a comment down below if you want me to check out your channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that you see is the front cover. All of the printables that I have in this binder are all from free blogs that I found on Pinterest. So I will try to link all of the blogs down below so you can go and print these off yourself if you're interested. But I just have a Bible verse on the front, and then this really pretty blue cover. And then you open it up. Have the same Bible verse, and then it just says family planner. Again, all of these are free, so I will link these below. I have dividers. I have 5 dividers so far. I may be adding more depending on how well this goes for me. But I have schedule, finances, cleaning, meal prep, and then this is just other important information, which you can't really see what it says, but we'll start with the schedule. So the first thing they have is the monthly overview, and this is just a printable that I got. I wrote in all the dates, and I have just kind of an overview of things that are going on this month. Nothing really in detail, just kind of a brief overview of what I have to do. This is a different printable that I got. I don't know if I like that one as much as I like this one. I don't know. It's more space on this one. And then I have the weekly overview. I like this. I got this off of fabandfree.com, and it just has Monday through Sunday. You can write in what you need to do, and then it has a checklist over here of things that you need to take care of. So I really think that this is very organized. I like this a lot. I like the checklist part too. If you're anything like me, I am not organized at all, and I forget everything. So this hopefully is going to help. And then the last thing is the video and editing schedule. And I got this off of this shiningmom.com, and this is free. So it is just a blog editorial calendar. It shows you just days of the week. So I wrote those in, and then I have a checklist down here of things that I need to get done. And then we have the finance budget sheets. I have all the way through next July in here. I'm not going to show you our personal finance because it's personal. But I will show you an example. I actually did make this. I was inspired by Mint, the Mint app, which we use that. Even though we don't really stick to it, we do use it. So I did get inspired by that. I am just a paper type person. I don't know why, I just always have been. Maybe it's just the teacher in me, but I feel more organized if I have stuff on paper instead of on my phone. So anyway, here is what it looks like, and I will link this in the description box as well if you want to use the organizer that I created. I have the September budget. So this is what your budget would be. And then I just have different categories and then subcategories. So I have auto and transport, we have a car payment, car insurance, gas. I have the name, the amount that you budget for it, and then how much you actually spent. So I have auto and transport, bills and utilities, entertainment, food and dining. I don't know if you want me to go through all of these. For bills and utilities, those are just the bills and utilities that we personally use. Entertainment, we kind of are homebodies, but we have family blow money. And then music, for us, we pay for the Apple iTunes, so we can have iTunes and download music all the time, which I love that. see, food and dining, tithes and offerings, health and fitness. We have home, stuff for Garrett, personal care, dog, shopping, travel, and then miscellaneous. I just have a blank space if we do something that's not in this budget, or we spend money that's not in this budget. So anyway, this is a pretty good way to stay organized and to help you with your finances if you have a habit of spending a lot of money without realizing it, which we do that often. So to help us stay within our budget and to save money, I think this is going to be really good for us. So there's that. Then I have cleaning. So I have my weekly cleaning schedule. I got this again off of fabandfree.com, and it just is a 2-week cleaning schedule. It's got Monday through Sunday, front and back. I wrote all of these in, even though I probably could have typed them out, but just for the cleaning schedule that I have different stuff that I do every single day, and then I have stuff that I do consistently. So I have tidy, make the bed, 1 load of laundry. That is every single day. And then the last check mark, I do something different. So Mondays, kitchen and dining room. Tuesdays, living room and hall bathroom, and that's just where I deep clean. Wednesdays, master bath, Garrett's bath, and the basement bathroom. Thursday, Garrett's room and his playroom. Friday, I clean the basement, and Saturday, I do our master bedroom. That's where I change the sheets, all of that stuff. And then Sunday, I don't really do anything. I just make the bed. And this has changed. So there's a lot of times where I change this schedule up depending on what we're doing that week. So if I know we're going to be out of town, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I will do a lot of this stuff in Monday and Tuesday, so I'll just kind of double up on stuff. But for the most part, this is what I normally do every single day. And I have our weekly meal plans. I have the week of July. So fabandfree.com, this is the greatest website ever. It has Monday through Sunday, and then it has like a thing here where you can put recipes, you can put side dishes or whatever. So I have my weekly meal plan for July. If you want me to post my weekly meal plan, I can, but this is just an overview of the stuff that we eat. Nothing really too fancy. We are not very healthy people, but that's okay. And then I have it for August. And then I have, my grocery list. This list I got off of the ultimategrocerylist.com, I believe. That's grocerylist.com. This thing is amazing. If you have not downloaded this, you need to go on and download it, because I always forget what I need to get from the store, because a lot of the times I will order online, so I will forget like different things. But with this checklist, I mean, there's no way you can forget anything. So every time I go to the grocery store, I go through this checklist to see if there's anything that I'm missing, or if there's anything that I need that I can't think of. So this is an amazing checklist, and I will link this in the description box. But there's the website, grocerylist.org. And it's got like vegetables, fruits, refrigerated items, frozen items, spices, beverages, seafood, I mean, literally anything you can think of, you name it, it's on here. So that's good. And then lastly, I just have emergency contacts and insurance and personal information. So I haven't really added anything yet. I probably will after this video, but those are just some ideas of what you can do, and then that's just another, I copied that. So yeah, that is my family planner. I haven't, again, put it to use yet because I just created it, but I really am excited to put it to use and try it out for myself. I am so unorganized without something like right in front of me. I cannot use my, like I envy those people who can use their phone and use the computer to continue to stay organized, but I'm just not that person. So I need something like in front of me, handwritten, that I can write on, because if I don't physically write it down, then I will not remember. That's just me. So anyway, I hope that you enjoy this. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and again, hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. And comment down below if you have a schedule of your own, and if you think that there's anything that I should add or whatever. So thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.